plan to increase the representation of ethnic women in Mercedes F1?
So we have started a program that's called Accelerate 25, where we are planning to recruit at least 25% from every new recruit in the next 5 years from a diverse ethnic background. I think today we've already made a big step with much more ladies, much more women in our team that are really competent, that come from a diverse background. But it's what I said to you, we've just started, because not only that we want to achieve this as a baseline, but I think we need role models, and we need successful role models, and that's why we just have to make sure that we hire enough people from underprivileged background and from diverse background.
Don't give up, you know, like the easiest thing for us all to do in anything, whether it's like your diet or it's working out or whether it's your studying or at your work, the easiest thing is to give up. And that should never ever be an option. And you can never go back, so it's just how you would, like Toto was saying, it's analyzing like what could you do better, could you prepare better, could you have sacrificed something to be better prepared, or could you have slept better the night before, whatever it may be, and then apply it to moving forwards. And again, it's not how you fall, it's how you get back up, right? And that's the theory that I always apply to my failures.
Seeing this as a book, I'm in my 30th chapter. You are in your first. All of you in your first chapter. You can seek inspiration from careers of others. And I have done that. Or take role models. This is how I'm gonna be. This is how I want to be. And different role models for different aspects. And then eventually, if you're successful, you run out of role models, then you pick certain attributes of people and you construct your perfect avatar. But it's your chapter 1. And when I was in my chapter 1 and you would have told me about my chapter 30, I would say, it's impossible.
The advice they gave was actually very helpful, especially about like how to deal with losses and build up team morale.
Truly lost the words.
Told us a lot about themselves that you did not know normally, so we found like a lot of inside information that you didn't get normally.